The Bitcoin Standard. A simple story about money, gold, and the future. Let me tell you a story. Not just about a coin, but about money, freedom, and the future of the world. This is the story from a book called The Bitcoin Standard, written by Saifedean Ammous. It explains why Bitcoin is special and how it can change our lives. But to understand Bitcoin, we first need to go back in time. 1. What is money? Really, a long time ago, people didn't use money. They used barter, trading things like sheep for bread or fish for tools. But it wasn't easy. What if the baker didn't want your sheep? So people started using money, something that everyone wanted. At first, they used shells, salt, cattle, and metal. Over time, they discovered the best money was gold. Gold was rare, hard to make, easy to keep. People trusted gold for hundreds of years. It was real money. That's why kings, traders, and countries used it. 2. Then came paper money. Gold was great, but it was heavy and hard to carry, so banks said, "Give us your gold, and we'll give you a paper note." This note said, "You can get your gold back any time." People liked this idea. It was easier. But one day, governments and banks stopped giving back the gold. They said, "Just use the paper." That was the start of fiat money, money that has no gold, no value, just trust. Fiat money is what we use now: dollars, euros, yen. 3. The problem with fiat money. Saifedean says that fiat money has big problems. It loses value over time, inflation. Governments can print more and more, making your money weaker. It makes saving hard and borrowing too easy. It causes economic bubbles and financial crises. People work hard, save their money, and then the value goes down. That doesn't seem fair. 4. Enter Bitcoin, the new digital gold. In 2009, something amazing happened. A person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, a digital currency that is not controlled by any bank or government. Bitcoin is like gold, but online. Why? It is limited. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. It is hard to make, just like mining gold. It is decentralized. No single person controls it. It is borderless. You can send it anywhere. It is safe, protected by strong computer systems. 5. Why is Bitcoin better? Bitcoin is not just new money. Saifedean says it's better money. You can't print more of it. It doesn't lose value easily. It helps you save, not just spend. It's not based on trust. It's based on math and code. In countries with bad money, like very high inflation, people are starting to use Bitcoin. It gives them freedom and control. 6. Bitcoin is not perfect. Of course, Bitcoin is still young. It has problems too. It's slow compared to banks. It uses a lot of energy. The price can go up and down quickly, but Saifedean believes that over time, these problems can improve. The important thing is this: Bitcoin gives people a choice. For the first time in history, we don't have to trust banks or governments to keep our money safe. 7. More than just money. This book is not only about Bitcoin, it's also about history of money, economics, freedom, the power of saving. Why good money makes a strong society. Saifedean says, when money is good, people work hard, save more, think about the future, and build great things. When money is bad, people become lazy, greedy, and short-sighted. Bitcoin, like gold, helps people think long-term. 8. So what can we learn? This book tells us that money is not just paper, it's a tool for life. Gold was strong, fiat money is weak, and Bitcoin may be stronger. We need to protect our money like we protect our health. Bitcoin could change the world, not just how we pay, but how we live. You don't have to buy Bitcoin to learn from this book. Just understanding how money works is the first step to freedom. Conclusion. In the end, the Bitcoin standard is not just about Bitcoin. It's about changing how we think about money, freedom, and the future. Saifedean teaches us that good money helps people grow, save, and build strong lives. Bad money, like paper money that loses value, makes people weak, careless, and worried. He shows us how, in history, strong societies used strong money, like gold. And now, in the digital world, Bitcoin can be the new gold. It gives power back to the people, not the banks or governments. This book tells us, think long-term, not short-term. Save your money in something strong. Learn how money works. It's the key to freedom. Use your brain, not just your feelings when it comes to money. Bitcoin may not be perfect, but it's a big step toward a better world. A world where your money is yours and your future is in your hands. So, whether you buy Bitcoin or not, this book helps you see life and money in a new way. Knowledge is power, and this book gives you both.
Hey there! If you're enjoying this video and want to improve your life step by step, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Every video here is designed to help you learn, grow, and succeed, whether it's mastering your money, improving your English, or building a better future. By following this channel, you're not just supporting me. You're helping yourself to become smarter, stronger, and more successful every single day. So, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe, leave a comment, and let's grow together.